Hey there, in this video I'm going to compare the specifications of the Xiaomi G11 with the G10 and let's go. So when you can look here on the power, the better is for G11 by 35. Then motor is also better for G11. Battery life you can have G10 up to 5 minutes more, but it's not much. Then for the smart suction power, multi-surface brush head, tangle-free technology, filtration, like all these are like so similar, like 0.02% here. Interactive LCD display, dust capacity is better for G10, weight is better for G11. Look here on how much. You see that. Then you see the vacuum and mop function, you don't have it. This is important for G11, you don't have it. But here you have it for G10, you have it. Number of ink on the brush heads, you have 5, here got 4, and that's pretty much it. So this was just a quick comparison for you. The power is better for G11, the motor is better. Then both are really similar regarding the filtration, but the weight is smaller and you're gonna have vacuum and mop function for the G10. That's something that you're not getting with G11, and that's really important. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.